And this is the 3-piece drain here. Obviously it's made up of 3 pieces. It has these bolts here, 4 of them. I'm just going to put 2 in for now. So I'm going to put a pre-slope in here. And the pre-slope is so before you put the liner in, so any water that gets into the liner will be directed to the drain. And the reason for that is because this drain has weep holes in it. This is a walking flange that goes on here. And it has weep holes in it. See? It's got weep holes here, the top, the bottom. You can turn this either way if you want. If you turn it this way, it gives you more height on the drain, on the top part of the drain. But I usually just put it in this way. The liner is going to be installed on top of this. So we have to make mud, fill it in. It's going to fill up to here, and it's going to go right up to this edge here. And then it's going to pitch up so that any water that gets in the liner will go down to the drain. And this goes like this and locks in, and the liner gets locked in under there. Then the drain goes on top like that. So we got the mud pre-pitch underneath, then we have the liner, and then we have the mud on top of that. When you install the mud, you're supposed to put gravel around here to protect the weep holes. Or you can get one of these and that eliminates the need for the gravel.